basketball. Oh, let me take this shot. I suck at basketball. Hey, Toad. What? Ice King? Yeah, I can show you something you might be good at, because I'm a very good teacher of it. I used to survive in the wild, you know. Live off the rodents and all the animals. I guess I could give that a try. Okay, let's go. Wow. Yeah, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta find some place to stay, some place to sleep. Sometimes you wanna find a tree maybe that's next to it that has like some insects, so you get like a free buffet, yeah. That might be a good spot, come on. And so, also, dude, you need, like, if you're in the wild, like this, and you can't find any food, you gotta rub up your beard. Of course you don't have a beard. Rub up your beard so you have something to eat when you're starving and there's nothing to eat. So go on, take a bite, man. That's weird. No. Treat yourself. Good. Oh, leaves. I hate leaves. So just wait, maybe for an animal to come or something. Okay. There's no animal. Nothing. Just wait. Okay, there's nothing. Let's go. So, Toad, did you learn any virtues today, like trust and all that? I know you learned some good stuff from me. I didn't learn any virtues or anything. Really? I didn't include that? No. Well, hope you had a good time. See ya.